Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving out of the Sangster International Airport and we're heading towards the Hip Strip, or the correct name is the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, but it's called the Hip Strip. That's where you're going to find a lot of restaurants, a lot of hotels, basically a lot of activity for the tourists. So if you're ever visiting Jamaica and you're flying into Sangster International Airport, this is the road you would drive on to get to the Hip Strip. Now, if we had turned left when we came out to the airport, that will take us towards the Northern Coastal Highway. That will take us towards Rose Hall and a lot more hotels that side. We'll make that video another day. Or you can search the channel for the videos on Rose Hall. Alright, so I think this is Sunset Boulevard that we're on, and this will take us to the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, or the Hip Strip. Now, the Hip Strip has a lot of restaurants, a lot of stores, a lot of hotels. It even has 2 beaches. And the government announced recently that they were going to be spending $1 billion to renovate the Hip Strip over time. Alright, so we're now going on to the Hip Strip, and there's a sign, Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, Montego Bay Hip Strip. Oh, sorry, we were on Godfrey Dyer Drive. That's the road we were on, and we're now turning on to the Hip Strip. So on the right is a hotel, the Cameron Hotel. On the left, you're going to see a lot of stores that sell tourist stuff. On the right is the entrance to the Decameron Hotel. Then you have another hotel on the right, St. James Shopping Plaza. Basically everything a tourist would need to go shopping, to eat, to entertainment, you'll find here. To accommodations, you'll find here. Okay, there's a lot of traffic over here, so I'm assuming that a cruise ship probably came into port. Okay, this is Spanish Court Hotel on the right. Not sure what hotel is on the left. That's Starbucks straight ahead. Now, this Hip Strip has its own security. You have the regular police, but the Tourist Enhancement Fund set up a project where they have local security guards patrolling this area so that the tourists are safe. So it's something where you can walk up and down freely. Sorry, no, I shouldn't say freely. Somewhere you can walk up and down safely, because you can walk up and down everywhere freely in Jamaica. So on the left is a Coral Cliff Casino, or restaurant and casino. On the right is Margaritaville. Official name is Coral Cliff Gaming and Entertainment, and that's Margaritaville on the right. You know, there's no cruise ship in harbor today. Yes, it's just a busy day. On the left is Burger King, and then they set up this plaza right beside the Burger King. Then on the left now is the Pelican restaurant, which is a very popular restaurant in Montego Bay. It's been here for a very long time. And then on the right now is a Harmony Park, or Harmony Beach Park, and that was recently renovated by the government. Alright, so we just came off the hip strip. We're now on the Howard Cook Boulevard, and we are looking at a massive development. I think somebody said this was Harbor City. We're going to pull over and definitely take a tour of this structure. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.